Alright, here we go. It's Friday today. 22nd. I'm down today. I took one trade. It was retarded. This was basically what I opened the charts to today. I was trying to get, like, deep charts, sometimes it does this thing where it just does not want to load the data. And it was loading and loading and loading. There's just nothing you can do. So I literally... the first hour of market open, I was just trying to get this shit to work, and it just was not working. And I got on the charts, and this was basically what I saw. And volume was pretty low today, just in general. So I was like, I guess I can try to take one of these plays, right? Because, by the way, I don't even know, like, even if I had gotten on the charts, I don't even know if I would have been able to take anything because, like, the 5-minute range, there wasn't really any good reactions off of it. And then we have, like, the 30-minute range. The 30-minute range high up here. And it's like, what are we even doing today? Like, I don't know. The volume is low, too. Like, well, it's not that low. I don't know. Honestly, this doesn't make any sense to me. Like, we should have just gone up and continued higher. I mean, we broke back inside. Like, the thing is like, we got, like, it kind of makes sense that when we break back inside with this big 14K candle, it does make sense we should technically continue down here, but there was no absorption or anything here to indicate that we were going to go down. And then we get down here. I mean, this was a play maybe I could have taken. But all we have is just absorption at this low. Like, I don't really think there's anything else. Is there even a low volume node here? There is actually a low volume node here. I could have taken this play. I would have gone break even. I definitely would have gotten break even here. I could have taken this from right here. I probably would have gotten break even at this high, and I would have gotten stopped at break even. So there's that, and then like this, there's nothing here, like absolutely nothing. When I got on, this is what I saw basically when I got on, and I think there was literally like this. This honestly, if I had like been on the charts a little earlier, this would have been a decent play too, because there's no CBD or anything, but we also had, so for key levels, we also had this high over here. Yeah, this high. And this high, like, this is actually a decent, trade. I don't really know if I would have taken this, like, again, if I was a little bit, I actually probably would have, because I think this was some really good absorption, wasn't it? Yeah, this is some good absorption. So, I mean, this was the play that I could have taken. It got stopped out at break even. So I would have been break even after taking this high, and I would have gotten stopped at a break even here. Like, getting actually really close into profit. This would have been worth a trade to take, I think. Either way, it would have been stopped at break even. I mean, if not there, right, like coming up here. So this just doesn't make any sense to me. Like, I feel like price should be going higher. It should be taking this high. I was just waiting, right? I obviously want to take longs from this area because this is really good, these levels. So here could have been, I mean, yeah, again, like, there's not really a good reaction here. Like, we do get this reaction out of here, but, like, it's just not very clear. I don't know. No absorption or anything. Like, no wicks through this, like, 5-minute, just nothing. So I do take my entry a little bit sort of sooner or later. Jesus, dude. Okay, so right here, did I take the entry here? Yeah, I took the entry here. So I took this trade, basically, and I put my stop, bro, relax. Relax with that. I took my stop here. So for the take profit, I was actually targeting value area high of the session because I didn't really want to ask too much of price here to go up and take this high because I was just like, this is just like very erratic price movement. Like I just didn't think price was going to move that much here. So we chop around. We get like a big wick down. And where's that? So right here, like this was looking really good. After this, the way this candle formed and the way we had this absorption, like this was looking really, really good. And I actually moved my stop up here at this point. I moved it below this low. So I took off. So I was only risking 100. And then, okay, so, all right. So I was only risking $100 on this because these conditions are just so shitty and stupid. And I moved my stop up after we got this nice, like, this is a nice reaction here. I could have maybe got myself breaking. I don't know. Either way, this retarded shit just rips out of nowhere. Just 5K contracts, more than like the last 7 candles combined, and just rips through everything. And I got stopped out there and lost, like, I mean, I was only risking like $50 at this point, but I lost like 75 because, I think it was, I don't know how much it was, but I think it was like 72, but, this was just so stupid. I was even thinking of just putting my take profit at these highs because I was just like, this is just so dumb, like this price action. I was probably a little frustrated, honestly, just because of the fact that my stupid chart was not loading up until this point. Like, that was really stupid, and then we'd already kind of made the move. I mean, again, I don't think, I could have taken this, probably, this play was good. But it wouldn't have gone anywhere. Like, this just would have gone stop break even. And this, I don't think I would have taken anything off of this. I don't know. Maybe some sort of entry here. I don't know, dude. That's a little bit. I don't know. Either way, really, I don't like this at all, dude. This price action sucks for today. Like, this is the worst price I think we've had all week. So, I mean, at least I mitigated the loss. Like, it wasn't really that bad of a loss. Like, obviously the conditions were not good. I wasn't risking a lot. Hopefully Monday, I'll be able to put some more risk on and actually get some decent, first of all, decent load times for my software so that I don't enter at freaking, what is this, dude? Eastern time? This is like 12 Eastern. Yeah, not great, not great. Yeah, kind of a bad end of the week. I lost yesterday, I lost today, but we did have a lot of good wins early in the week, so I'm not really, can't really be too mad, can't complain, you know. Just have to get back at it Monday, basically.